What is going on, my sneakerhead family? Today we have an unboxing for you, and today we're going to be unboxing the Air Max 90 reverse duck camo with the style code CW6024600. Official colors are infrared, black, dark sage, and Barack brown. These were the official release for Air Max Day on March 26th with a retail of $140, and these things are absolutely incredible. I did take a quick sneak peek at them just to make sure everything was good with them, but I want to share with you guys what they look like coming out the box. So let's take a look. So I did get these on the resale market. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to hit on the sneakers app. These things sold out literally in seconds everywhere. But I don't mind because these things are absolutely fire. So this is what they look like coming out of the box. Let's go ahead and take these out of here. So when I first seen the pre-release pictures on these, I knew they were gonna be dope, but I gotta tell you, in hand, these things are absolutely incredible. That infrared really pops, and I'm really digging the contrast of these white laces with the midsole. So we'll take a look at the leather quality on here. And that's pretty good quality. You guys can see here that Nike swoosh is like a snakeskin material. The inside is also completely infrared. Back tab. Focus. Infrared on the back tab. And the difference between these are like a fresh take on the 2013 Atmos release, which consisted of pretty much everything in reverse as far as the infrared. Anything that you see on the black, I'll put a picture of that next to this one here so you guys can see the difference. But everything that is in black was basically reversed on the 2013 version, infrared. And this is a nice little note here with the infrared inside of the black. That's a nice little pop here. The sole was also black, but these are just super awesome. The quality is really well done with these. And I like the white laces. Here's the other one. So it's not like the OG hang tag, it's just a plastic hang tag, so I'm not going to be using that. So I might try it out with these black laces. So pretty cool that they gave you a couple options as far as these laces. These might be dope too, or you can do like alternating them. So we'll take a on-foot look and see what some of these laces look like. If you're into Air Maxes, or Nike is killing it with the Air Maxes right now, releasing a ton of different colorways. A lot of the retro ones are coming back. They're just adding a few touches to them, but a lot of really nice Air Max releases coming out. And you know, for summer, these go great with shorts and with everything. These are definitely gonna pop, and I can't wait to rock these. So like I said, if you guys want to grab those up on the secondary market, prices are looking really good right now. If you missed it on the sneakers release, I would definitely cop these because these are a must-have. Enough talk, let's get to it. What you guys came for, and let's throw these on feet.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, fake game, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need bad energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took a L, should've put it in the offering. Lord, forgive me for my sins, don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. You could be the youngest, I'm the dawn. Kiss the ring, nah. In the scene like GOT. Stay awake, don't sleep. Like Jon Snow, get RIP'd. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. Just me, myself, and I, my favorite threesome. The cars I drive by, I never lease them. They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them. I was fake, you had to find me. Now I'm on beat, skating like I'm grinding. L hit me, said it's all about the timing. If you want the vision, get to spinning. My mama